Alright, yet another circle question we've got here. An equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 4y plus 25 equals 0. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle and its radius. This is part 1. Show that the circle touches the x-axis. This is part 2. Find the equation of the circle which is a reflection of the original circle in the x-axis. Alright, so to do the first question, to find the coordinates of the center of the circle and its radius, we have to reorganize this equation that we've got here. So let me just write down here I. So we've got x squared plus y squared minus 10x minus 4y plus 25 equals to 0. Let's lump all the x's together and all the y's together. And here we have x squared minus 10x plus y squared minus 4y plus 25 equals to 0. Alright, and here we perform completing the square. X squared minus 5x, x squared minus 5 bracket squared. Okay, this is minus 5. The third term will be 5 squared, so you have to deduct 25. Okay, plus y squared minus, apologies, should not have written this in the first place. So it's just x minus 5 squared minus 25 plus y minus 2 squared minus 4 plus 25 equals to 0. And then we get x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared minus 4. Why? Because negative 25 and positive 25 will cancel out, equals to 0. X minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to 2 squared. And therefore the radius is equals to 2, and center of the circle is equals to 5, 2. 5, 2 has coordinates 5, 2. Alright, so that's part 1. Let's go on to part 2. Okay, part 2's question is show that the circle touches the x-axis. Okay, it's quite simple here. I hope there's enough space here, so just write this here. Now we know that the formula of the circle is this: x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to 2 squared. Now when the circle touches the x-axis, you can sub y, it means that it touches the line y equals to 0. Therefore we can sub y equals to 0 into x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 2 squared. Okay, let me just erase this to avoid confusion. Alright, okay. Now x minus 5 is just x squared minus 5x plus 25, and when y is equals 0, I get minus 2 squared, which is 4, equals to 4. In fact, I should not have done this step. Let me just retract. You understand why in a moment. Okay, if I sub y equals 0, I just get x minus 5 squared plus, okay, when y equals 0, I get a 4 minus 2 squared is equals to 4 equals to 4. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0, so x minus 5 squared equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 5. Hence the circle, therefore circle touches x-axis at 5, 0. Alright. Okay, let's go on to the third question, the third part rather. Find the equation of circle which is a reflection of the original circle in the x-axis. Okay, just bear in mind this question. Okay, find the equation of the circle which is a reflection of the original circle in the x-axis. Okay, let me just go down the page here. Okay, in this case, drawing the diagram may actually help you understand the question. Now, we know that the circle has got, okay, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, okay, has got center 5, 2. Okay, if this is 5 and this is 2, okay, this is how the circle will look like. And we know that it touches the x-axis at this point. Alright, if you reflect it, okay, this is 5, 2, which is the center of circle. If you reflect it, okay, you will end up with a circle of the same shape with center 5, negative 2. Alright, so okay, this is a little messy. Okay, this point is 5, negative 2. Still not good enough. Let's write it again. 5, negative 2. Alright, so the equation of the reflective image now becomes x minus 5 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals to 2 squared. And what you get is x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 minus 4 equals to 0 when you expand. And then finally you get x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 4y plus 25 equals to 0. And there you have it. This is the answer to the third part of the question. And just to refresh your memory, the third part of the question is find the equation of circle which is a reflection of the original circle in the x-axis. There you have it. This is part 3.